Hi guys, so may Chinese furniture tayo and gunting. So lalabahin natin sila. So ang dumi-dumi nila guys. So lilinisin natin sila guys. Wait lang guys. So yan guys. So meron kami guys. So tingnan natin guys. Yan so kabuot siya guys. Ayan. Ito natin guys. Yan, so kunahin natin ito guys. Itong brown. Guys. Ito guys. Ito guys. Okay, so kumuha ko ng tabo na malaki. Yung isa kasi maliit guys, yung CR. Ito po, so ito guys. Kumuha ko ng guys. First time sabon tayo. So lalagyan ko lang po ito ng tubig.